Once you have the box for the handle set open, you're going to find a couple of pieces. The first is a handle with a spindle already welded on. The second, this would be actually the outside handle. This would be the inside handle. The outer escutcheon piece, it's got these little black things on there. The inner piece, it's much thinner, has these screws with these little black things on. What you want to do is squeeze those together and make them as tight as you can, because they'll prevent the screws from moving around. Keys and a little Allen key. So you're going to take the outside handle, and I'm doing this one-handed, so sorry for the camera shaking and bad resolution. You stick this in here like so. This is going to be the outside handle. So I've turned the door around and I'm actually looking at the inside of the door now. So I'm going to move this. This side is the outside, and it's going to go in the hole like so. That is how the handle is going to look on the outside. Then I'm going to grab the inside piece here and stick it on here, adjusting this deadbolt so that goes in appropriately and everything just slides on. Tighten up these screws, and then we'll put this handle on. We're good to go.